How you doing, guys? Snowcastle Cats here. It's the 30th of June 2021. Here we have Fluffy and May. May, the little kitten here. Are you listening to me, Fluff? May, the little kitten here. She's 5 weeks old now. And here's a little update about her progress. She's doing very, very well. And she started eating solid food. So that's great. So Fluffy's jumped down. Here she is. As you can see, she's coming on lovely. Very affectionate. And I think she's quite a happy girl, even though she's an only kitten. I think she's quite happily enjoying being a kitten. Aren't you, May? Isn't that right? Oh, is that a little yawn? Was you going to yawn then? So we're Snowcastle Cats, and we post cat and kitten videos every day. So if you like this sort of thing, consider subscribing. You can see May and our other cats and see how they're getting on. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Okay guys, catch you later. Bye.